Investing in rental properties is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth, and Salt Lake City is a hotspot right now. With a booming economy, population growth, tech hubs like Silicon Slopes, and high housing demand, the opportunities are huge. But not every property will make you money. Today we're breaking down how to choose the most profitable rental properties in Salt Lake City. Number 1, know the local market trends. First, get to know the market inside and out. Check average rental prices by neighborhood, vacancy rates, job growth, and upcoming infrastructure projects. Areas near the University of Utah, Silicon Slopes, or public transit lines are gold mines. They attract reliable tenants and command higher rents. Number 2, evaluate neighborhood profitability. Next, pick the right neighborhood. Look for strong rental demand, low vacancy times, and the right tenant mix, like young professionals or families. Prioritize low crime rates, great schools, and easy access to jobs and freeways. Up-and-coming areas can offer big appreciation without excessive risk. Number 3, run the numbers carefully. The real proof is in the numbers. Calculate potential rental income based on comparable properties, then subtract expenses like taxes, insurance, maintenance, and HOA fees. Make sure to get the most accurate numbers you can, not projected numbers, but actual numbers, and aim for positive cash flow every month. Don't forget metrics like cap rate, ROI, and future appreciation. Always build in a buffer for vacancies or repairs. Conservative estimates will keep you profitable. Number 4, choose the right property type. Match the property to your goals. Single-family homes are easier to manage and great for families, but one vacancy means zero income. Multifamily units, like duplexes or fourplexes, give you multiple rent streams for better stability. And then condos and townhomes often come with HOA rules, whereas student housing has high demand but more turnover and more wear and tear. Number 5, assess condition and renovation needs. Before purchasing, inspect the property thoroughly. Check the roof, HVAC, plumbing, kitchens, and bathrooms. Properties that need just cosmetic updates can be fantastic deals for quick returns. Once you purchase, remember, a well-maintained home attracts better tenants and saves you headaches down the road. Number 6, consider property management. Managing rentals yourself can be time-consuming. From screening tenants to handling repairs, it all adds up. Partnering with a professional property management company keeps everything smooth. Tenant placement, rent collection, maintenance, and compliance, so you can focus on growing your portfolio. Number 7, look for long-term value. Finally, think long-term. Will this neighborhood stay desirable in 5 to 10 years? Can you raise rents gradually? Are there upgrade opportunities on this specific property? The best investments deliver steady cash flow today and big appreciation in the future. In the end, choosing profitable rentals in Salt Lake City comes down to smart research, solid numbers, and local expertise. If you're ready to maximize your investments, reach out to us at NV Property Management. We help investors manage and grow portfolios across northern Utah. You can contact us today by calling 801-337-4337 or visiting our website at nvpm.com. Thanks for watching.